Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we keep it real with the latest beauty products. Today we're talking about a product that promises precision and staying power. The Kiko Milano Unlimited Precision Automatic Eyeliner and Kohl Pencil in shade 16 Black. Whether you're looking for a sleek line or a smudged out smoky eye, this pencil might just be the one you reach for. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. Kiko Milano's Unlimited Precision Eyeliner and Kohl Pencil comes in a sleek, twist-up format, which makes it both practical and mess-free. The pencil is designed to deliver a smooth, luminous finish with a claim to be smudge-resistant, perfect for those who need a long-lasting look without frequent touch-ups. The shade we're reviewing today is a deep, rich black, ideal for those classic bold eyeliner looks or even soft blended kohl eyes. Now let's dive into the experience. Using this pencil is incredibly easy. I was able to create a precise line without any tugging or skipping. The formula feels creamy and glides effortlessly onto the skin. I tried it both as a crisp eyeliner on my upper lash line and as a smudged out kohl on my lower waterline, and in both cases, it performed beautifully. The formula does what it says on the tin. It's smudge resistant. Even after a few hours of wear, it didn't budge. I love that it holds up through a busy day, whether I'm rushing around or just lounging at home. In terms of texture, it's smooth but not overly soft, so you don't get too much product coming off in one go. That gives you control over the intensity of the line. Plus, the luminous finish adds a subtle sheen, which I really liked, especially when you're looking for a more polished look. However, I did notice one thing that's worth mentioning. While the pencil is easy to use, the twist-up mechanism can sometimes leave a bit of product exposed, which might make you worry about it breaking if not used carefully. But overall, the design is simple and functional, and the pencil itself feels solid in hand. What about the pros? First off, the staying power is impressive. It's smudge-resistant and lasts all day without fading, which is a big win for anyone who struggles with eyeliner migration or smudging. The texture is smooth, it glides on without pulling, and the deep black color provides great pigmentation in just one swipe. On the flip side, one downside is the exposed pencil issue. The automatic twist-up feature could have been designed a little better to protect the product when not in use. Also, while the luminous finish is nice, some people who prefer a matte, more subtle finish might not love it as much. Now, in terms of value for money, I think it's fair. While it's not the cheapest eyeliner on the market, it's certainly not overpriced either. You're paying for a pencil that performs as promised and offers good longevity. When compared to similar products in this price range, it holds up well, especially when it comes to its smudge-resistant properties and smooth application. As for build quality, the pencil is solid, though the twist-up mechanism could use a little refinement to prevent unnecessary exposure of the product. There's no indication of the formula becoming ineffective or drying out quickly, which is always a concern with automatic pencils. Now, if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are some options, but none that deliver quite the same combination of performance, smoothness, and smudge resistance. For those on a tighter budget, I would recommend trying a drugstore option, but if you're willing to invest a little more, the Kiko Milano pencil offers a quality experience. In conclusion, the Kiko Milano Unlimited Precision Automatic Eyeliner and Kohl Pencil is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable eyeliner that delivers on precision, longevity, and smooth application. It's great for those who need a pencil that won't smudge or fade throughout the day. If you're someone who likes a little sheen to your eyeliner, you'll love this. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.